Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're breaking down SoFi Credit Card, a modern no annual fee cashback card that's tied into SoFi's larger ecosystem. So whether you're looking for simple rewards or you just want to boost your financial goals, this card might surprise you, so let's jump right in. So what is SoFi Credit Card? SoFi Credit Card is a Visa signature that earns up to 2% unlimited cashback, and but with a plot twist. To get the full 2%, you need to redeem your rewards toward a SoFi product like paying down a loan, investing, or saving. Otherwise, the 1%, it's part of, SoFi's ecosystem built for people who are serious about managing their money all in one place. Managing the card is done entirely by the SoFi mobile app, so you do have to use the mobile app, which is clean, fast, and feature-packed. You can track spending, freeze the card, redeem points, and even get real-time transaction alerts compared to apps from legacy banks. It's smoother, it's a more intuitive experience. If you want like a mobile-first app, this is pretty good. Here's what stands out about the SoFi credit card. So we're gonna check the offers here. So this has a limited 2% cashback when used towards SoFi plans. So we need to log in. Never mind. No annual fee, contactless payments, and virtual card access, and also cell phone protection up to $1,000 if you pay your bill with the card. World Elite Mastercard perks like Lyft credits and DoorDash discounts. APR range competitive but variable based on the credit worthless, and also worthiness. My bad. Let's talk about the price, your fees and rewards breakdown. Again, the 2% only applies when you redeem your rewards toward the SoFi account, like your SoFi Invest and also your SoFi Money or loan payments. And otherwise, you'll get 1% back if you redeem as a statement credit. Now, there's no annual fee, but no foreign transaction fee, and late fees are forgiven once per year, which is a nice touch. And also, this card is great for people who are already using SoFi for banking and investing, budget-conscious users who want predictable rewards, anyone looking for a no-fee daily driver with a solid cashback structure, people working on improving their credit. SoFi even offers free credit score tracking. But if you want travel rewards or, rotating categories, this card probably isn't for you. If a few alternatives to consider if you're not really into SoFi. So we do have Chase Unlimited. I think it's Chase Freedom Unlimited, which is from the Chase Bank. You might know Chase from the recent viral unlimited money hack, which is just pretty much just fraud. But Chase Freedom Unlimited is 1.5% to 5% back with more flexible categories. You also have Citi Double Cash. So Double Cash is pretty good. It has 2% back on everything, 1% when you buy, 1% when you pay. So it's pretty good. And very popular one, Apple Card. So you have Apple Card here. So Apple Card, offers 2 to 3% back on Apple Pay purchases and also clean app experience. And last but not the least, we have Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo Active Cash. So Wells Fargo Active Cash. So this one, flat 2% cash back with no hoops. So I think this is pretty good if you want like cashbacks. My conclusion on SoFi is that SoFi Credit Card is a great fit if you're already using SoFi or want to make the most of your cashback by investing it or saving it for the future. It's simple, it's modern, it's flexible, and with solid value with no annual fee. So let me know in the comments below, are you using this card or do you have another cashback favorite? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification if you don't miss more reviews like this. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, everybody. I hope you have a good weekend or something. Bye-bye.